No one knows how long this city has slept beneath the sea. The doorway once welcomed priests and pharaohs. Now only fish pass through. The fallen obelisk, the broken altar, the sarcophagus, half buried in sand. Someone built all this. Someone prayed here. Then the water rose, and silence took everything. What happened to them? The answers lie deeper. Here, scattered across the chamber floor, are the remains of offerings. Scarabs, tablets, a golden mask still waiting for its owner. The jackal god Anubis lies fallen, his stone face watching nothing. These objects were not left carelessly. Someone arranged them. Someone hoped to return. But the sea had other plans, and deeper still, sealed stone boxers hide what they valued most. A great stone chest stands at the center of this circular room. Its lid is open. What was inside? The guardians along the wall do not speak. Above, the ceiling has collapsed, letting in only darkness. Fragments of gold glint in the dim light, and then a door. Not broken, not opened. The sealed door is no longer closed. A sarcophagus waits at the center. The wall reliefs show figures walking towards something. Toward what? The path narrows, and somewhere ahead, gold still glows beneath the sediment, untouched for thousands of years. Carved wings spread across its back, ceremonial shields mounted on the walls, and there, leaning against the wall, the staff of someone powerful who sat here. Two guardian statues still stand at the final doorway. Beyond them, a corridor lined with small figurines, more complex than all the others. More carefully sealed, but we are here now. And the sea has kept its secret long enough. Let us see what hides beneath the silence.